channel. Sobrang pawis ko. So, it's 10:30. Time check. 10:31 a.m. At yung kapatid ko ay nagluluto ng kanin. So, while nagluluto siya ng kanin, I'm gonna clean up the house. And then after that, I'm gonna end the live and then do live again while cooking. Okay? Just like that. So, for not further ado, let's get started to the cleaning. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. So, we're gonna start here at this area. Can you see? Very madumi. Let's eliminate. Wow. Eliminating. Yes, darling. No, mamaya. When you touch me like that, and you hold me na going up to you. Dun, 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 dun. When you touch me like that. Oh. Hello everyone! Hello! Today, ay! Yati, naunta mo na. Pati ka mahulog. Tanggalin natin yung cover. Okay. When you touch me like that. May help ko sa'yo. Coming